Hey, it is Tuesday. Welcome to Daily Fit Boost. My name is Emmanuel Osiri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And the tip for today is very simple. It's a lifestyle tip. And that is to make sure that you're keeping people that are very active, have a very active lifestyle in your circle. Right now, I'm walking the Golden Gate Bridge, and I just came out here to look at it, but the people that I'm with, they're like, let's walk it. And I thought, you know what? Normally I wouldn't want to walk this bridge, but because the people around me are active, now I find myself walking, getting this extra cardio exercise, and just enjoying the beautiful view. So today's Tuesday Fit Tip is very, very simple. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Leave a comment, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime. Woo!